What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Doyle here from Premier RV in Bluegrass, Iowa, where we give customers what they want and deserve. Right behind me today is the 2024 Starcraft Autumn Ridge 182 RB. This small, lightweight travel trailer comes in this very classic and brilliant floor plan. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. And this one's been around for a long time. Unlike the competitors, Starcraft isn't going to get to that price point by taking out materials and features. They're not going to do anything crazy like take away cabinet doors to save on price. They're going to give you all of that, and they're going to give you incredible quality and construction. We're going to get into all that, but first, make sure to leave a like and a comment. Let me know what you think, and make sure to subscribe to the channel. Let's get into it. Step inside the Autumn Ridge 182 RB, and you'll be greeted by a spacious and thoughtfully designed interior. With an impressive 81-inch interior height, you'll have plenty of headroom to move around comfortably. The residential vinyl flooring adds a touch of elegance, complemented by the hardwood cabinet doors throughout. The bedroom up front features a queen bed, 2 overhead cabinets, and an overhead shelf for all your belongings. There's also some Bluetooth charging and outlets on each side. The kitchen is equipped with modern conveniences, including pressed membrane countertops, a 2-burner cooktop, and a residential high-rise kitchen faucet. All of this makes cooking and cleanup a breeze. And don't worry about storage, there's plenty on this one. This one features a booth dinette which doubles as a bed that can sleep up to 2 people. And right above that, there's even more storage. For your entertainment, the Autumn Ridge features an AM/FM Bluetooth radio with indoor and outdoor zoned speakers. Enjoy your favorite tunes both inside and outside the RV. Stepping into the bathroom, this one features a porcelain foot flush toilet, sink, mirror, and a nice shower with a vent fan. As you'll see, there's plenty of storage space in this one as well. Most RVs of this size just aren't going to give you that. That's where the Autumn Ridge really excels. This one also features a 13,500 BTU rough-mounted AC, keeping that interior cool on warm days. This one also has the option for the Extend Solar Package, which comes with a 200-watt solar panel on the roof and a 30-amp controller. This is great for trickle charging your battery, and you're not going to find other travel trailers in this price point that come with that. Beneath your feet, you'll find 5/8-inch tongue and groove plywood floor decking, the strongest floor you can get, meticulously crafted for reduced softness, bounciness, and squeaks. Unlike some competitors, Starcraft goes the extra mile by bolting the floor through the frame and using full-width outriggers for enhanced structural integrity. Quality materials and attention to detail make a real difference. This one also features an enclosed, insulated, and heated underbelly, making it suitable for various weather conditions. No other company or brand is going to give you that on an RV of this size and at this price point. The solid construction that makes the Autumn Ridge a reliable choice for your travels. The PVC roofing membrane not only requires low maintenance, but is also flexible, puncture resistant, and recyclable. This roof reflects solar heat and UV rays, backed by a limited lifetime warranty for peace of mind. In conclusion, the Autumn Ridge 182 RB is a great option if you're looking for a small, lightweight travel trailer that doesn't skip out on features and has quality construction. This one's also great if you're a first-time camper just getting into it, or if you've been a long lifetime camper and you're just looking to downsize. This one can really do it all. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you're subscribed and leave a like and a comment. Let me know what you think. And if you want to learn more about this RV and other ones, come check out our website, premierrv.com, or call the number on screen, or come check us out in person in Bluegrass, Iowa. Thanks for watching, everybody, and as always, happy camping.